Today we're going to be making a mini launcher out of a mini stapler. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, in the stapler you have this little, it has a spring on it, but I already took the spring out to make it easier. See, but it has this little slidey black thing. So what you're going to want to do is just take a knife underneath it, just like this, pop it out. You're going to want to save this piece. Now you're left with this. So what you're going to want to do is take it like this, take a pair of pliers and grab it right there and squeeze, pop it right out. So now you're just left with the case. Now see, this thing has a thing that sticks out, but take that and bend it and break it off. Then you have these little things right here. Take your pliers, gently grab them, very gently, really gently pull both of them up just a little. So now that you pull them up a little more, when you try to close it, it does that. If you squeeze, it does that. So you take whatever you want to shoot, works better with pennies. Then you just take the little black thing, and you need to get some glue and glue it right here. So you can use hot glue, super glue, it doesn't really matter. But I've got some super glue here. This is what I'll be using. So take, and if you still keep that little metal piece, you can hold the little black thing like that when you put the glue on, so you don't get any glue on you. So that we're going to put glue on the back of it right now. Alright, so I'm back, and the glue is dry. See, it's on there. So all you gotta do is hit it. You don't have to use money or anything. You can use paper. Paper don't go very good though. So what you do, well, you load it in the capsule, pull it back. There we go. Just like that. That's all there is to do. You can shoot anything really. They all work. So there you have it. That's how you can make a mini launcher out of just a stapler. And as for this little metal piece, there's tons that you can do with it. So take your metal piece, bend it in, till you have it looking like that. Then take it up and pop the pliers underneath the little bar that you just done. Pull it up. So you have this. You do lots with it. Like, and if you don't want babies to get in to your thing, you can take this and use it as a stop So all you have to do is take it, slide it right there. Then there's no way that it works if you do it right here. Alright, see, so now there's no way that it's gonna work right. And if it does do this, it don't work. So that's how you can make a mini launcher for under $5. Thanks. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to always be an outdoorsman.